Brazil's leading home appliance company, SEMP, eyes expanding cooperation with China's electronics giant, TCL, on photovoltaic-related business as the heads of the two companies meet in South China's Shenzhen.
I think that the opportunities of business between China and the rest of the world, besides Brazil, I think that's growing fantastically. We place confidence in the good marching of Brazil's necessities and China's capabilities as a supplier of those necessities. I believe that China was the biggest chance for a company in Brazil to make a partnership with.
去年我们海外的销售收入达到1200多亿人民币。未来我相信中国企业在全球化当中应该有更大的机会来拓展我们的业务。
Established in 1942, SEMP was the first manufacturer in Brazil to provide domestically produced radios, black and white televisions, and color televisions. Collaboration between TCL and SEMP dates back to 2016, when the two companies established the Brazil-based joint venture SEMP-TCL. According to the Chinese electronic giant, the market share of TCL brand TV sets ranks among the top 3 in Brazil, which has the world's 5th largest population and tremendous market potential.